Good morning, Asia. Equity futures are flat to slightly positive, but that masks a sharp tech-led sell-off across the region. Taiwan semiconductor fell over 4%, dragging the Nikkei down 5% and Kospi down 5%. The dominant theme is a rotation out of AI and semiconductor momentum into value and defensives, with Alibaba bucking the trend, up nearly 3% on continued buyback and bargain hunting. The biggest catalyst is the sharp rise in global borrowing costs, with long-dated yields hitting fresh highs across the US, UK, Germany, and Japan. That is the macro headwind pressuring high-multiple tech names. Keep an eye on the potential 50% US tariff escalation on Canadian goods in talks between Trump and Carney. Also, Home Depot earnings and Treasury yield movement will set the tone for the US session. For levels, the Nikkei closed near its session low at 67,460. A break below 67,360 opens a move towards 66,800. Hang Seng held support near 25,240 and closed positive, a sign of resilience. Shanghai is grinding higher, holding above 3,955. The ASX is flat, with support at 9,050. Gold is pulling back to $4,391 after failing near resistance. A break below $4,380 would target $4,350, but I would look to buy that dip because the structural thesis of central bank buying and debasement hedging remains intact. Silver is holding the $63 handle, a break above $64. 50 reopens the upside towards $68. Copper is flat near $6.45, suggesting the growth narrative is steady, not accelerating. Oil is firm, with WTI near $84.50 as supply concerns outweigh demand worries. Crypto is quiet. Bitcoin is holding $64,600, consolidating in a tight range. The line in the sand is $64,000. Below that, expect a flush to $62,500. Ethereum is near $1,915, also range-bound. The next leg depends on BTC breaking $65,500. Sentiment remains cautious, with funding rates neutral. Game plan. 1. Buy the Nikkei dip if it reclaims 67,600 within the first hour. Target 68,500. Stop below 67,350. 2. Accumulate gold on a dip to $4,360 to $4,380. Target $4,450. Stop below $4,330. Markets move fast. We break it down daily so you don't have to. Subscribe for your edge, delivered fresh every session.